Great movement through there. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Great. There it is.
Hi, this is Dr. Kennedi Pierce at Advanced Health Chiropractic. I have Sasha here with me today. Sasha's been coming in for the past week, and she's going to let you know what she's been experiencing and what brought her to the clinic.
Hello, Sasha. I was in a car accident, so I'm coming in just to be working on my lower lumbar and my right foot because I have a little bit of like numbness and uncomfortability down there, and my lower lumbar back is kind of pain, and my back of my neck always not comfortable. I've been working on different types of stretches to get that back in alignment.
Okay. Thank you, Sasha. So, today we're going to get Sasha adjusted, so full spine, and then also do that flexion distraction to help with that low back pain and that traveling pain and numbness that is passing.
All right, so Sasha, go ahead and go face down. All right, so again, we're gonna do that flexion distraction, create room for the nerves to exit in the lumbar spine, as well as decompress that spine. Doing okay, Sasha?
Mm-hmm. All good.
All right, now we're going to use the arthrostem to stimulate the spine and induce motion into the area. Okay, now palpating thoracic spine. Looking for those subluxations. Deep breath in, Sasha, and out. Great movement through there. And now we're going to go to Sasha's low back. Any pain here, Sasha?
Not much.
Not much? Okay, what about here? Yeah, okay. Anything in the hips?
No.
Okay. Checking leg length. Looks pretty good. Nice and even. So we're going to do an adjustment through the lumbar spine. Sasha, face me on your side this way. Deep breath in and out. Good. Same thing on the other side. Deep breath in and out. Great. Okay, now lay on your back for me. Okay, palpating cervical spine. Again, looking for those subluxations. Feel that there, Sasha? Mm-hmm. Upper C's. And right through here. There it is. All right, good. So if you're experiencing any similar symptoms as Sasha, or if you're in a car accident, go to our website and schedule a new patient appointment. If you're on YouTube, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.